It was David's first day at a new school, and he felt a little lost. He wanted to find the library to return some books, but he didn't know where it was. "Excuse me," he asked a friendly-looking student. "How can I get to the library?" The student smiled. "No problem. Go straight down this hallway until you see the gym. Then turn left, and the library is on your right, next to the cafeteria." "Thank you very much," David said, feeling relieved. He followed the student's instructions and found the library easily. He returned his books and then decided to explore the school a bit more. He walked past the classrooms, the science lab, and the auditorium. He peeked inside and saw a group of students practicing for a play. David smiled, feeling excited about all the new things he could discover at this school. Suddenly, his stomach rumbled. He realized he hadn't eaten breakfast and was starting to feel hungry. "Maybe I can ask someone where the cafeteria is," he thought. He saw a girl sitting on a bench reading a book. Taking a deep breath, he approached her. "Excuse me," he said politely. "Do you know where the cafeteria is?" "I'm a bit lost." The girl looked up from her book and smiled. "No worries. It's right next to the library. Did you find it okay?" "Yes, thank you for the directions," David replied. "I'm David, by the way." "I'm Sarah," the girl said. "Welcome to our school. Maybe I can show you around after lunch." David's face lit up. "That would be great, thanks." He felt happy that he had already made a new friend on his first day. Together, they walked towards the cafeteria, chatting and getting to know each other. David was starting to feel confident and excited about his new school adventure.
Excuse me, I'm a new student here and I'm a bit lost. Can you tell me how to get to the library? I need to return some books.
No problem. It's easy. Go straight until you see the gym. Then turn left, and the library is on your right next to the cafeteria.
Great, thank you. Is there a nurse's office in this school in case someone doesn't feel well?
Absolutely. It's on the second floor, right next to the science lab. There's always a nurse or a doctor on duty there.
That's good to know. Thanks again for your help.